What's going on, everybody? Mr. Rock and Roll. I'm back, coming at you today with some Megadeth. While I've been gone, for those of you who don't know, or you're just watching this in the future, Nick got injured about a month ago. I'm hoping it's good enough. So we're going to jump on in. Megadeth. I've been on a huge Metallica kick lately, and I was listening to their version of Ride the Lightning, like I've done billions of times over. And then I found this. I've never heard this. I didn't know this was on their new album, Ride the Lightning by Megadeth. Wow. I don't know if there's still beef between these two. I hope not. It doesn't seem like it, because why would they do this? I love both of these bands. So here's a rare opportunity for us to hear what Metallica would sound like had Mustaine stayed with Metallica. But because he didn't, Dave, you hear me? We now have this amazing band too. So that all worked out, at least for us. Let's go. Before we do that, do this and this. It's the gaming channel and Patreon. Thank you guys again for the GoFundMe support. You guys are great. Swipe it away. Let's go. Long intro, but it's been a month. So let's go. I'm super excited to hear how this sounds. Come on now. My audio wasn't even set. That's how long it's been. Megadeth. Yeah! It's back! Yeah!
Guilty as charged, but damn it, it ain't right. There's someone else controlling me. Death in the air, strapped in the electric chair. This
Can be happening to me!
Who made you got to say? I'll take your life from you. Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Burning in my brain, I can feel the flame. Wait for the sign to flick the switch of death.
Hey! I can do it again! Hey! What a great day! Woo! Ooh. Oh, look at that. The headbang's too hard. We lost the thing. Go in. Hey! Oh, it's a good day. Oh, wow. Who would have saw this coming? Something about hearing old Dave Mustaine singing it makes me very, very happy. I'm excited to hear the solo. I love the solo to the song, and I cannot wait to hear Megadeth do it. Megadeth. Dagamath! Oh, it's been a full month since I've done any headbanging. I'm very happy right now. Woo!
Of the end. Sweat chilly cold as I watch death unfold. Consciousness my only friend. My fingers twitch with fear. What am I doing here? Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Burning in my brain, I can feel the flame.
I'm getting the headbang. I'm catching up to all the headbang.
Someone help me. Oh, please, God, help me. They're trying to take it all away. I don't want to die.
Hey! Ooh. Whoa, here it comes. Here comes the shred. the part. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, you didn't disappoint. Oh, master of tabsters. Oh boy. Well, get on up there. Did you hear the tabs? Dad! Did you hear the tabs? Ooh, you know, that solo. Look at that, another spam call. Wow. You know, that solo. That solo lives rent-free in my head. Now, I've listened to this song probably trillions of times. And it's like I'm hearing it. It's like I'm hearing it for the first time. I love Megadeth. I love Megadeth. Ooh, we just need to look at more Megadeth. Megadeth! Woo! So that's what we would be getting. Oh boy, I'm so glad Megadeth exists. Man.
Someone help me. Oh, please God help me. They're trying to take it all away. I don't want to.
Oh, the drums back there. The drummer.
Time moving slow.
Hey!
It seemed like hours. The final curtain call I see. How true is this? Just get it over with. If this is true, just let it be. Wakened by horrid dream. Freed from this frightening dream. Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die.
I still hear the
Burning in
head go, ah!
I can feel the flame.
Hey! Hey! Oh, it's good to be back. It's good to be back, boys. Hey! Yes, sir. Dave and the boys covering Ride the Lightning. I didn't have that on my 2026 bingo card. Wow. And catch my breath. Golly. Wow. Man, being out that long. I gotta catch my breath now. What a good way to come back. Oh! Wow. I'm gonna listen to this version a whole lot. Just add it to my long line of whole lot. I want to find other Metallica covers out there. I just found one by Havoc. Might check that one out. Hey guys! Thank you for all the support over the past month. Thank you for the GoFundMe people and everybody that went to the gaming channel. It's been fun. And by fun, I mean, painful. It sucked. But it's good to be back. Hit subscribe. I'm going to get out of here. Let's do more Dig a Meth next time.